So how do you check if OBS is currently recording? Well, if you want to check if a process is currently running, you can do pgrep, let's say OBS, and that will do a PS and then do a grep. And in this case, OBS is running, and so is OBS ffmpeg mux. When OBS is currently recording, it runs OBS ffmpeg mux. So we can do pgrep OBS ffmpeg mux. But if we are doing that in our status bar, this might be a bad idea because pgrep is actually doing a lot of things here. Internally, it scans all the files in the proc directory and then try to grab the status and the name of the process. In this case, we have around 1000 processes, so it scans 1000 files. And even if these aren't real files, in the sense that it's not on disk, we're still doing a lot of syscalls in open and read. So what you'd want to do is first pgrep the PID, and then for the next iterations, use that PID and then check the status file. And then here we have a lot of things here, but what we want is the name. So grep name and then OBS ffmpeg mux. And if that exists, then OBS is currently recording. You can also check the OBS PID. If OBS is turned off, then you don't need to keep checking this. But do note that ffmpeg keeps running even if you are pausing the recording.